Have you ever wondered where your next great adventure lies? As we approach 2025, the world of travel is transforming, with once hidden gems now taking center stage and familiar favorites revealing new sides. I'm Charles Whitmore, and today we're exploring the 10 most extraordinary destinations you simply must visit in 2025. Music swells slightly. Nestled in the eastern Himalayas, Bhutan isn't just a destination, it's a journey into the soul of happiness itself. This carbon-negative kingdom has carefully preserved its ancient Buddhist culture while embracing sustainable tourism. The famous Tiger's Nest Monastery, clinging to a cliff face 3,000 feet above the Paro Valley, remains an architectural marvel that will take your breath away. But in 2025, Bhutan is opening new trekking routes through the pristine Sakteng Wildlife Sanctuary, home to rare snow leopards and, according to local legend, the mysterious Yeti. The country's commitment to high-value, low-volume tourism means you'll experience something truly authentic. Their innovative Gross National Happiness Index continues to inspire visitors worldwide. Ljubljana, Europe's most sustainable capital, leads Slovenia's emergence as an ecotourism paradise. The Julian Alps offer world-class hiking without the crowds of their Western European counterparts. The crystal-clear Lake Bled, crowned by its medieval castle, now features new sustainable water sports activities. Don't miss the newly opened underground bike trail network in the Postojna cave system, a world first that combines adventure with geological wonder. Forget Tokyo and Kyoto. 2025 sees Japan's Setouchi region taking center stage. This collection of islands in the inland sea is home to the famous art island of Naoshima, but now the lesser-known islands are opening their doors. New art installations, traditional ryokans, and the world's largest digital art museum make this Japan's most exciting new destination. The region's famous floating torii gate at Miyajima has just completed its first major restoration in a century. While Cartagena and Medellin have long attracted visitors, Colombia's Pacific Coast is 2025's rising star. This biodiversity hotspot offers whale watching, pristine rainforests, and some of the world's best bird watching. The new eco-lodges in the Chaco region provide access to previously unexplored areas while supporting local communities. Between June and October, witness thousands of humpback whales during their annual migration. Scotland's legendary landscapes are being transformed by the ambitious rewilding project Highland 2025. Watch as native forests return, bringing with them red squirrels, pine martens, and eagles. The new Highland Coast Tourism Initiative has created a network of eco-lodges and dark sky observation points. The modernized Caledonian sleeper train now offers a zero-carbon way to reach this wilderness from London. The land god made in anger is becoming more accessible while maintaining its wild character. New solar-powered camps offer unprecedented comfort in this harsh desert landscape. Track desert-adapted lions. Visit the indigenous Himba people and witness the world's tallest sand dunes. The recently completed Desert Conservation Center provides fascinating insights into this unique ecosystem. Kerala's backwaters have long enchanted travelers, but 2025 brings a revolutionary approach to sustainable tourism. The state's new Green Circuit connects organic spice farms, traditional Ayurvedic centers, and virgin rainforests. The ancient port city of Kochi now hosts the world's largest solar-powered arts festival, while new houseboat designs run entirely on electric power. The ambitious Route of Parks project reaches completion in 2025, connecting 17 national parks across 2,800 kilometers. This conservation corridor offers unparalleled access to glaciers, fjords, and mountain peaks. The newly opened Diente Circuit on Navarino Island is already being called the New Torres del Paine, while remaining refreshingly uncrowded. This butterfly-shaped island in the Aegean is set to become the Mediterranean's first carbon-neutral island. Traditional whitewashed buildings now house smart energy systems, while electric vehicles and renewable power transform this ancient landscape into a model for sustainable tourism. Don't miss the restored ancient castle, offering new virtual reality experiences that bring 2,000 years of history to life. Music builds to crescendo. Topping our list for 2025 is Rwanda, the land of a thousand hills. This remarkable nation continues its transformation into Africa's leading ecotourism destination. Beyond the famous mountain gorillas, the new Gishwati Mukura National Park offers chimpanzee tracking in pristine rainforest. The capital, Kigali, now boasts Africa's largest urban solar farm and a thriving arts scene. But it's the community-owned lodges and local guide programs that make Rwanda special, proving that luxury and sustainability can go hand in hand. As we look to 2025, these destinations remind us that responsible travel can both preserve our planet's treasures and enrich our understanding of the world. Remember, for all your essential travel needs and products that will make your journey more comfortable, click the link in the description below. The world is waiting. Where will your next adventure take you? https://kit.co SE&shop. Click on the link below, and you will find many essential products for travel and personal life.